I've fumbled around a few times at the car wash when taking the Tesla through, and I no longer get touchless. I just go for full touch. I haven't had any issues, any paint scratches. Yeah, sometimes I'd struggle to put in my pin and put it into neutral. So here's a really quick guide. So you just go into the settings, and from there, click to enable the car wash mode. That's going to roll up the windows and then also fold in the mirrors. But then from there, there's another step. You're going to need to make sure that the car is not in park, and then you're going to have to press down the brake and then enable free roll. That'll allow the car to go along the conveyor belt. And that is it, but I have struggled a few times, and when there's someone there, sometimes they're a little impatient. So really quick guide. If anything, the main issue that I have is with the Tesla license plate, or the license plate holder and the license plate. It does get bent from these. So I have started taking it off before I go in for a car wash. But other than that, it's easy to exit car wash mode. You just go ahead and switch it into drive and exit car wash mode, or vice versa, and you're good to roll away with a clean car. If you like this quick guide, I'd really appreciate it if you tap the like button, and feel free to let me know if you have any questions.